I'll show you one I'm very fond of.
Oh, no, okay.
It's the orange tree. Yes. Which has this. Raise your hand against your forehead. Concentrate on it.
Yes.
A lucky guess. Go around your hand, your head. Blood drains from it. Really fun.